Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where today I'm bringing you this Frozen inspired Christmas makeup look.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those.
So me and my sister went to watch this film a couple of weeks ago and oh my god, absolutely loved it. And I loved especially like the sort of colours and the shades that they were using in the film. So I thought with Christmas right around the corner, why not bring you guys a Christmas look inspired by Frozen 2. Okay guys, so if you want to see more of what I've used on my skin, head over to my Instagram because that's where I usually pop like more of my base and skin videos. For now, I've just primed my eyelids using the MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I usually like to use this as a primer on my eyelids when I'm using like brighter colours. It has quite like a bit of a yellowy tone to it, so it gives like a really nice base on the eyes, brightens up the eyelids a little bit as well. So when you're using some like, you know, more colourful kind of shades in your eyeshadows, I feel like this works really well. And today guys, we're using this beautiful, I mean, look at it. It's so pretty. So this gorgeous palette is from MUA and we are going to be using this little peachy colour just here for our crease. So guys, your crease is just this little bit here that goes inside, and you can apply this colour. The best way to do it is by using a fluffy blending brush. The one I'm using is the 217 from MAC. And if you use a fluffy blending brush and literally just push this into the crease and then just wipe it side to side, you'll get a much better blend. And I do think when you're working more with sort of like blue or turquoise shades, that peachy or browny tones work really well. And I'm just using the tip of the brush to apply the same colour underneath as well. Okay, so next up we're ready for our eyelid colour, and I'm first going to go in with this kind of darker turquoise shade just here. And I'm just using my flat brush to apply this. So remember guys, anything fluffy will blend and anything flat will apply. So especially if you're using kind of more shimmery colours, you want to make sure that you're using a flat brush so that's coming out more pigmented and a lot smoother as well. So guys, I'm just going in one layer at a time to really build this colour up, and I'm applying it all across the eyelid up until your crease. And then just using the tip of the brush, you're going to apply the same colour underneath as well. And then guys, to build on top of this, I'm going to go in with this lighter sort of turquoise colour on top. So I'm just applying this right in the centre instead of all the way across like I did with my first eyelid colour. And that's because this just gives another kind of dimension to the eyeshadow. And when the light hits it, it'll pick up kind of more of the centre of the eyelid, making it look brighter, your eyes look bigger. And guys, to be honest, I'm actually really impressed with these MUA palettes. I mean, for a drugstore brand, it's actually got really good pigment. They sell in Superdrug, so, you know, even the price point, like you can't go wrong. So once you've done that, you obviously don't want like your crease colour and your eyelid colour having like a harsh line in the middle. So what you're going to do is take your first brush that you used, your fluffy blending brush that you used for your crease. You're not going to put any more eyeshadow on it, just use what's left. And you're going to take that and you're basically just going to go over that line between your eyelid colour and the crease colour. So you're just blending the two together. What you're not doing is using your brush and going over the whole thing, because you don't want to mix the two colours together, you want to blend them. So the trick for that is to just use the tip of the brush, and you see that line just there? You want to just go over that line back and forth until it's nicely blended in. And the more you go over it, the more it will start to blend, and you'll just notice how much smoother the two colours become. And then guys, we're going to really add some sparkle. I mean, it's Christmas, right? So why not? And I finally managed to get my hands on this Stila liquid glitter eyeshadow. I've been waiting so long to get these. Basically, I was trying to be good and not spend like, you know, too much money on makeup. So when everyone was going crazy over these, I was trying to be sensible. And then this year, they went on the Black Friday sale and I was like, well, how can I not, basically? So we'll actually be doing a little mini Black Friday haul. I'm just waiting for all my products to arrive because there's some that haven't actually been delivered yet. But when that happens, I'll do like a little video on all the stuff that I managed to get on sale. But the shade that I'm using today is called Diamond Dust. I'm just going to go on top of my eyelids with this. So what I'm going to do is just use the applicator to apply this to the centre of my eyelid first, because that's where the main focus is. And then I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to blend that outwards. So basically what happens is you get the main focus of the sparkle being in the centre of your eyelid, and then you can blend that outwards across the rest of your eyelid. And I'm just using my finger in like a bit of like a patting motion. And guys, you can build this up to, you know, however much you like. So I'm just going to go back in to the center with a little bit more, and then again just use my finger to pat that out. I mean, you decide how much sparkle you want. There's no wrong or right. If you want sparkle like everywhere, then go ahead and apply this all over. And what I love about these is that they're not messy. I mean, you don't have to go in with like, you know, a separate glitter glue and then put the glitter on top. And I mean, knowing me, I'd just like spill the glitter everywhere, or half of it would end up on my face. So this makes my life way easier, and I can just go in and get a nice sparkle finish using just one product. And I know some of you guys are probably watching this thinking, Humera, you're so late to the game. Guys, come on, I was trying to be good with spending money. So then they went on sale. So, you know, I was actually kind of being more sensible. So I've just finished off with some winged eyeliner, and I've added my MAC No. 3 eyelashes. Now you guys know I'm all about that glow, so I'm going to go in with my Becca Cosmetics highlighter, and I'm going to add in some highlight into my eyes as well. So it's the same highlighter I've used on my cheeks, and I'm just popping this into the inner corners. And of course just underneath my eyebrow bone too. Now I want to add some eyeliner on the bottom as well, but I don't want to make it too overpowering. So I'm going to use a dark brown pencil instead, and this is the Coffee Eye Pencil from MAC. So looking at this, I think I kind of want to make that blue underneath just a little bit brighter. So I'm just going to go back in and add a little bit more. And I do that quite often when I'm doing my own makeup, to be honest. Like for YouTube, I try and keep it in like little steps, so that's easier for you guys to follow. But when I am kind of doing my own makeup, you know, when there's no camera, then I do tend to go like back and forth, or, you know, I like kind of just taking a step back and looking at kind of the shape of my eye makeup, or once I've got my eyeliner and lashes on, then I can see if I need a little bit more and where I need it. So guys, I've just finished off with this lovely glossy nudie pink lip, and all three of my products are from MAC. So I started off by filling in my whole lip with the Spice Lip Pencil. I then topped up with the Creme Cup lipstick, which has got this lovely nude pink shade, and then I went in with the Cream Sheen lip gloss. And this lip gloss has got a little bit of sparkle to it, perfect for Christmas, and it's in the shade Below Freezing. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and for any of my fellow Frozen lovers out there, make sure you drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new videos every week. I hope you all have an amazing Christmas, and as always, stay beautiful, stay you. Products I used on my skin. So today, to be honest, I am actually kind of, you know, a harsh line between Stila liquid glitter eyeshadow and guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and for any of my Frozen today's tutorial, and for any of my Frozen fellow Frozen